Stuck in a rut? You're not alone. Many of us find ourselves in this place at some point in our lives. It's a feeling of being trapped, unable to move forward, and it can be incredibly frustrating. We are at the beginning of a new era, one where artificial intelligence and innovation are redefining the way we live, work, and grow. The world is evolving faster than ever, unlocking possibilities we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. And yet, with all this progress, something feels off. A sense of stagnation lingers. It's as if the world is moving forward, but you're standing still. You might be wondering why you can't seem to break free from this cycle, like running on a treadmill, moving but never reaching anywhere new. You're not alone. Millions feel the same. Life can feel overwhelming. The daily grind, the constant demands, it can all become too much. Demands pull us in every direction. Work, family, social obligations. It's easy to lose sight of our own needs and desires. But there's hope. There is always a way out, a path forward. You can change your story. It starts with a single step, a decision to take control of your life and steer it in the direction you want to go. This isn't about some magic formula. It's about taking control, owning your journey. It's about making conscious choices every day that align with your goals and values. It's time to stop making excuses, to stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. It's about taking action, no matter how small. No more "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow is today. Each day is a new opportunity to make a change, to take a step closer to the life you want. This is your wake-up call, a call to action. It's time to wake up to your potential, to the possibilities that lie ahead. Are you ready to answer? Are you ready to take that leap of faith, to trust in yourself and your abilities? Are you ready to transform your life? Let's begin. The journey starts now, and it starts with you. We live in a world saturated with inspiration. Motivational quotes flood our feeds. Success stories promise quick fixes. We consume it all, hoping for a breakthrough. But inspiration without action is just entertainment. It's passive. It changes nothing. Scrolling through social media won't get you closer to your goals. Watching others succeed won't make you successful. Real change requires effort. It demands action. It means getting your hands dirty. Stop waiting for motivation to strike. Motivation follows action. Start small. Take one step today, then another. Build momentum. Make progress. Feel the power shift. You are capable of amazing things. Believe it. It's easy to get lost in dreams, to envision a perfect future. But without a plan, dreams remain fantasies. Stop treating your goals as distant dreams. Turn them into a daily blueprint. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Create a roadmap, set deadlines, hold yourself accountable. Write down your goals, not just in your head. Make them tangible. Visualize your success. Feel the excitement. Then start working towards it, one step at a time. Remember, progress, not perfection. Don't get bogged down by the details. Start moving and adjust along the way. Be flexible and persistent. Your future self will thank you. Success isn't a lottery ticket. It's a system, built one habit at a time. It's not something that happens overnight or by chance. It's the culmination of consistent effort and dedication over time. It's the result of consistent habits. These habits, no matter how small, build up and create a foundation for success. Small actions repeated over time compound into extraordinary results. Think of it like planting a seed. With regular care and attention, it grows into a strong, flourishing tree. Build systems that support your goals. Systems are the frameworks that make your habits stick. They provide the structure needed to keep you on track. Create routines that automate success. When you have a routine, you don't have to think about what to do next. It becomes second nature. Don't rely on willpower alone. Willpower is fleeting. It fades. Systems provide structure. They guide your actions. They make success inevitable. Start with small habits. Wake up earlier. Begin your day with intention. Drink more water. Hydration is essential for maintaining energy and focus throughout the day. Read for 30 minutes a day. Reading expands your knowledge and stimulates your mind, setting you up for continuous growth. These small wins build confidence. They create momentum. Each small victory reinforces your belief in your ability to succeed. Small wins aren't just steps. They're proof that bigger victories are inevitable. Consistency is key. It's the steady, persistent effort that leads to significant achievements. Show up, even when you don't feel like it. The days when you push through resistance are the days that count the most, especially when you don't feel like it. It's easy to stay committed when things are going well, but true growth happens when you persevere through challenges. That's when it matters most. Embrace the struggle, for it is in those moments that you build resilience and strength. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Before we dive deeper, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more insights. Your free toolkit for transformation. AI-powered tools have turned the internet into a goldmine of free resources. From AI-driven learning platforms to YouTube tutorials, knowledge is more accessible than ever. Forget the myth that you need to pay to grow. Resources are everywhere, and most of them are free. The only barrier is yourself. Learn a new skill. Explore a new passion. Connect with like-minded individuals. There are communities for everything. Find yours. Surround yourself with support. Learn from others and share your journey. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different approaches. Not every tool fits every hand. Find the one that feels right and start building. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Your journey is unique. Embrace it. The world is your oyster. Go explore. Prioritize your goals to prioritize your life. Goals aren't just checkboxes. They're your internal GPS. They should guide your decisions. Remember, your time is precious. Don't waste it on distractions. Learn to say no and set boundaries to protect your energy. Make time for what truly matters and schedule your priorities. Treat them like important appointments. Don't let them get squeezed out by the urgent but unimportant. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications when possible to create a dedicated workspace and find your focus zone. Be present in the moment. Give your full attention to the task at hand. Your future deserves your full focus. Treat your goals like important meetings. Make them non-negotiable. Embrace the grind. Celebrate the progress. Transformation isn't always glamorous. It requires effort. It demands sacrifice. Setbacks aren't stop signs. They're course corrections. Learn from them and keep moving. Understand that every step you take, no matter how small, is a step forward. Each moment of struggle is a moment of growth. The grind isn't punishment. It's preparation for the person you're becoming. It's in the sweat, the tears, and the moments when you want to give up but choose to push forward anyway. They are part of the process. These moments of effort and perseverance are what shape you. They mold your character and fortify your spirit. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity to become better, to grow stronger. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is feedback. It's a sign that you're pushing your limits, that you're daring to go beyond your comfort zone. Failure isn't an obstacle. It's the tuition you pay for growth. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. Fall, learn, rise again. That's how transformation happens. With each attempt, you gain more experience, more knowledge. You become more resilient, more determined. The journey is as important as the destination. This time, you'll be stronger, wiser. Progress isn't just about the destination. It's proof that you're evolving. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a victory. It's a testament to your hard work and dedication. Acknowledge your wins, big and small. Take a moment to appreciate your achievements. They are the fruits of your labor, the rewards of your perseverance. Reward yourself for your efforts. Enjoy the journey. Take time to rest, to recharge. Celebrate with those who support you, who cheer you on. These moments of joy and relaxation are just as important as the moments of hard work. It's not just about the destination. It's about the experiences you gather along the way, the memories you create, the lessons you learn. The journey shapes you. It defines you. You are capable of more than you think. Push your limits. Break through barriers. Achieve the extraordinary. Believe in yourself. Trust in your journey. The grind is tough, but the rewards are worth it. Embrace the grind. Celebrate the progress. Your time to shine is now. You have the power to create the life you desire. No more excuses. No more delays. Later is a myth. Now is the only real time you have. Take that first step, then another, and another. Embrace the journey. Embrace the challenges. Embrace the growth. You don't need permission. Your transformation starts the moment you decide, go make it happen. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join our community of growth seekers. Together, we're building a path to success, one step at a time. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more insights. Keep thriving, keep shining, and as always, see you in the next video.